the Datsun. I got the 215 Ford F-150s. The standard one, 67. And then I got this one here too, the other 67. Alright guys, I'm just gonna crack them open and I'll be back in a second. So as you know guys, I like pickup trucks, especially Silverados. Found these ones interesting because there's a half bitten surfboard in the back. I know all you guys have seen all these ones before, because Australia gets them all that late, but just to show you of my interests. And that's a standard. They will be going up onto my wall. Alright guys, I'm Lashgo. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Love yous all, angels. Bye.